Hey, my name is Matt Harris with Jones Technical Institute. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose an electrical fault and repair an electrical system. They said the horn doesn't work in here, so we'll test that. They're right, it doesn't work. First thing you want to do is start at the source. So we're going to come down here, just make sure we got good battery voltage or bad battery voltage. All right, we got 12.38. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look at this fuse right here. By the little fuse chart, it says fuse F7, and F7's right there. The fuse is good. I'm not going to test continuity on the fuse because the fuse looks good, and also all continuity does with testing a fuse is saying, hey, that fuse is complete in the circuit. So what I'm actually going to do is test the power output to the fuse box, because if you don't have power to the fuse, it's pointless to have a good fuse in there. So I'm going to get that there and get the negative up there, and we're already getting a little voltage reading. But now what I'm going to do is hit the horn. As I hit the horn there, I got 12.39 volts. It's fluctuating a little, so now we know we got power to that fuse box. All right, so now next thing I'm going to do, I see my relays over there. I already ripped apart the dash over there just to make sure that relay was in there and connected. All right, so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get up under here and look at this horn, see if we got power to the horn. And when I get up here, turn on my light so I can read my meter. I'm going to get up under here and I'm going to probe these two little pins. Brandon, hit the horn. All right, I'm not getting any voltage reading, so that means I probably have a wire break or something somewhere else. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave that unplugged for a minute, trace this wire up. That wire comes up through there. That wire loom comes out right there. All right. Tuck back up under here, right where that wire loom came out of the frame. The wire was disconnected. So now I'm going to show you why I was testing the voltage down here. You can just stay there since you already seen me do it the first time. Just look at the meter. So I could also see the meter. And when I plug these in, plug that in. Okay, if I could quit being butterfingers. Brandon, hit the horn. All right, I'm getting 12.37 volts. So I'm only losing 0.2 from the fuse box to here. So there's probably 2 bits of connection. So that's pretty good right there. Brandon, go ahead and hit the horn real quick again. All right, horn works. I'm gonna bring you over here real quick to show you a couple other things. All right, so come up here. If you diagnosed all that and you're not sure if it's a relay or not, you know, you can test the relays. We know that relay's good because it's working, but what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn your meter on amps, put the amp clamp on, or not amp clamp, but get these, and what you're going to look at is, here's your positive input, here's your ground. Here's normally closed, and 3 and 4 are normally closed, and 5 is normally open. So what that means is, this is how it is at all times. When you hit the horn, it actually electrifies this switch right in here and connects 3 and 5 together. So when you look right here, there's number 1, there's number 2 pin, number 4 is in the middle, 3 and 5 are right there. That's 3, that's 5. So when you look at it, it goes in just like this. You got your meter on amps, and you just bridged it. Now you know that relay's, board's good. Another thing you could do to test the relay itself is to come over here. You have one wire over here on positive terminal, one wire on negative terminal. So what you do, this is real easy. Like I said, positive, negative, so I'm going to hook my negative over here. And if you listen, that is checking a relay. Now you know that relay is fully functional. Other than that, you know, you can do voltage drop tests to diagnose other things, and it's really, as long as you do a good visual inspection and follow your procedures how you're supposed to. We went ahead and looked at the wiring diagram beforehand on what we'd have to do in case, you know, it wasn't wasn't a fuse, wasn't a relay, or wasn't actually, you know, a wiring problem. It could have been, you know, something else in there, you know, a short, or that would have been a wiring problem. It could have been a short, you know, or something. Thank you, and have a good day.